So in this challenge, what we are going to do is to write a recursive function that, first of all, what it will do is to receive a number, num, and once it receives this num, all the recursive function task is to find out and return the sum of all digits in this particular num. So we simply take a given number, it may be of 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, and so on, and all this function has to do is to find out what will be the sum of all the digits. So for example, if we take num as 67, then we know that the sum of all of its digits will be 6 plus 7, which is a total of 13, okay? And the function, once it's found out all the sum of the digits, the function simply should return 13 in this example. And if for another example we have a num like 9531, so the sum of digits is going to be pretty much calculated in the same way, right? Because we use some recursive calls, we divide it to subproblems, and it doesn't matter for us how many digits there will be in a given number, as long as we know the formula to how to divide it to subproblems and make our recursive calls. So in this case, if we want to know the sum of digits, we will simply sum up 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, which give us a total of what it will be, the total of 18. So that's pretty much the exercise. We have to write a recursive function. I know it's kind of tempting to use just a for loop to find out what will be the result, right? Because we can use for loop, so why won't we use it something that we know? And the reason is very simple, because our task is to practice some recursive approach to find out how can we divide to subproblems some bigger problem, and then to reach some base condition or stopping condition, and to build all our way up to find the necessary result. So take your time, guys, think about the solution, try to understand what will be the base case, what will be the recursive calls, and write also the main function that will check out and makes sure that the recursive function works as expected. And then of course we are going to solve this exercise together. So I'll see you there.